when you're born, the doctor brought him in the room. Hair was nappy. Most babies got slick hair. Baby is born with pretty hair. Nappy sappy hair, nappy. The nurse walked in the room. He said, "What you doing with that monkey in here?" Nappy said, "Mama said, I don't know where that monkey come from, but y'all back over in front of my baby." The doctor said, "That is your baby." She said, "Well, you might have got it mixed up with somebody else in the delivery room." Doctor said, "You was the only one in there." He said, "You won't fool around with no monkeys no more, will you?"